Now we'll know about profile updating. So for the editing your profile, just come at the top right side here, and here click on edit my profile. Right, so here I mean some colors scheme it will be coming. So which color of scheme you want for your the backend parts, from here you can select for that one. For example, this I'm selecting light, so the dashboard it become light. If I select on the blue one, see it changes, right? So like that, according to you or according to your comfortability, you can check it on or let it be by default. Then here you can type your name, right? So it is up to you. For example, again I am taking simply digital, so this is the name I have taken, and nickname required, and here display name publicly as. So you're setting here, so it is up to you. So just I typed simply digital, so here it is coming. So I want that people should see my profile with this name, simply digital. So you can select on that, right? So when I selected on this, here the changes become simply digital. Once again I'm showing, suppose I'm clicking on Mindwix, so here you can see Mindwix, and if I'm taking simply digital, so here simply digital, right? So here in this section, just you can write about yourself as a biographical information, so that the people or your audience they will be able to see. And simply you can insert your profile picture as well, right? And account management, that means here you can generate a news password, and if any other system, if you have logged in, right, and it will be saved that password in that system, so from here you can log out from everywhere else, right? So this is the part of profile editing. So simply you can go and you can, I mean, update according to you.